You're at the gym with your best friend getting ready to bench press. The vibe is perfect, music blasting, sweat, endorphins. Your friend decides to go full beast mode and lift more than he should. Classic. He gets into position, grabs the bar, and drops it right on his chest. He's coughing, trapped, and there's no one else around, just you. And without thinking, you sprint over and lift it. The whole thing, a 100-kilo bar, no technique, no planning, just pure brute strength. You save him, and then when it's all over, your arms are shaking like jello. Even your soul hurts. What just happened? Since when are you the Hulk? 1. Hysterical strength, the superpower that only shows up at the edge of death. Your body has an emergency override button, and no, that's not a metaphor. When someone you love is in danger, your body shuts off all the limiters. It unleashes a tsunami of adrenaline, not so you can run faster, but so you can survive or save someone. It's called hysterical strength, and it's not an urban legend, it's real. Example, Angela Cavallo, a mom in Georgia, saw her son pinned under a Chevrolet Impala in their garage. No help, no time. She lifted it. That car weighed over 1,000 kilos. She held it up just long enough for someone else to drag her son out. Then her muscles collapsed, but it didn't matter. Her kid was alive. So what just happened? Adrenaline turned her body into a human crane. It shut off the pain. It unlocked 100% of her muscle power. Normally, we use just a fraction of our strength because using all of it could literally break us. But the body would rather break than give up. This isn't something you can train. It only shows up in that split second between full panic and extreme danger. Then it disappears, like it never existed. 2. Your body can turn off pain with emergency chemistry. Did you know you can be seriously injured and feel absolutely nothing? That's not magic. It's survival biochemistry. When your body senses something truly intense, a bad fall, a deep cut, a freak accident, your nervous system dumps a cocktail of emergency chemicals, endorphins, enkephalins, and pain blockers. Basically, your body goes, okay, this is bad. No time for drama. Muting the pain so we can get out of here. And it works. People have run on broken legs, walked after being stabbed, survived insane conditions without even realizing how hurt they are, all thanks to this God mode switch. But heads up, once the danger is gone, the bill arrives. Pain doesn't vanish, it's just delayed. Kind of like muting your ex on WhatsApp. It doesn't mean they're not texting, it just means you're pretending they don't exist for a while. You can't activate this anti-pain shield manually. It's automatic, primal, ancient, and mostly unconscious. But it's there, waiting for the day you need to survive, or run from a mosquito with murder vibes. 3. You can see your white blood cells, no microscope needed. Here's a challenge. Go outside, find a nice clear blue sky. Stare at it for a few seconds. See those tiny, fast-moving white specks floating around. You're not losing it. You're seeing your own white blood cells, no joke. It's called the blue field entoptic phenomenon. What you're seeing are immune cells zooming through the capillaries in your retina. It's your defense system doing a literal scroll across your eyeballs. Not a disease, not a glitch, not a hallucination. Just one of those weird biology gifts nobody ever teaches you in school. You're literally watching your immune system at work. It's like peeking through the windshield of your own body, watching your internal secret agents cruising down the eye highway. The wild part, this microscope vision is happening all the time, but nobody explains it. So most people panic like, I think I have an eye problem. I see little floaty things. And the science says, congrats, you just unlocked X-ray mode, cellular edition. This only happens when you look at a super clear blue sky because the solid background helps highlight the shadows of the cells moving through the tiny blood vessels. Red blood cells absorb blue light, but white cells reflect it, leaving little glowing trails, like micro comets flying with no destination. So next time you're at the park, look up. It's not poetry, it's your immune system in HD. And honestly, who needs laser vision when you can spy on your own bloodstream for free? If your brain is exploding from the fact that you have all these hidden superpowers, hit that subscribe button, like the video, and turn on the bell. This channel isn't just about weird facts. We show you how your body and mind actually work, the stuff nobody explained in class. 4. You can feel things even without senses. Imagine you lose your sight, total darkness. Now imagine that after months of training, you can see what's in front of you with your tongue, not a metaphor. Thanks to neuroplasticity, the human brain can reroute sensory input to different body parts if it needs to. That has led to some mind-blowing inventions. There are devices that convert visual signals into electric pulses on the tongue. Blind people have learned to recognize shapes, colors, and even motion with their mouths. Others use vibrating vests that convert sound into tactile patterns, like their skin is hearing. The brain just rewires and says, okay, I'll see through this now. It's like having broken sensors on your phone, but downloading a new app that uses a different one to do the same job. Your vision moves to your tongue, your hearing moves to your chest, and you keep experiencing the world. This isn't about superhumans, it's about how insanely adaptable and weird your brain really is. Useless? Not quite. Incredible? Absolutely. 5. You can see ultraviolet light if the filter's gone. You're not a bee, but you could see like one. When someone loses the eye's lens, either through cataract surgery or trauma, something weird can happen. They start seeing ultraviolet light. That's the kind of light humans normally can't see at all. Usually the lens acts like built-in sunglasses, blocking UV rays. But when it's removed, your eyes can pick up wavelengths that used to be invisible. And what they see is strange, cooler tones, intense violets, glows you didn't know existed. Sounds wild? Well, Claude Monet, the famous Impressionist painter, had cataract surgery in 1923. After that, his paintings got super violet, bluish, and luminous. Some believe he was literally painting what the rest of us can't see. Basically, the man unlocked the alien Instagram filter before Instagram even existed. This superpower doesn't feel like, wow, I'm a mutant, but more like realizing the world has extra layers. And you were only seeing one. The human body is capable of way more than we use. Sometimes your superpowers are just factory locked. Who knows what else you'd see if you turned off a few filters. 6. Your brain has a magnetic sensor like birds, but you only use it to find outlets. This sounds like something your conspiracy-loving cousin made up, but it's 100% real. Your brain contains magnetite, a naturally magnetic mineral, and it actually responds to external magnetic fields. Like you've got a built-in compass. Birds use it to migrate. Turtles use it to find their way back to the exact beach where they were born. And you use it to remember where you left your iPhone charger. Bravo, evolution. This forgotten sixth sense is still active. It might explain why sometimes you feel like you're going the right way, or get that strange "I've been here before" feeling even in places you've never been. The problem is, with Google Maps and GPS, we've let it go a little rusty. But if one day you're lost in the woods and suddenly feel like you should turn left for no reason, maybe it's not just a hunch. Maybe it's your biological radar yelling, "Hey, I still work." If any of these useless superpowers blew your mind, tell us in the comments which one has happened to you. And if you want to keep discovering how weird but real your body can be, subscribe, drop a like, and smash that notification bell, because learning about yourself can be weird, and that's what makes it fun. See you in the next one.